Say, I did a 2022. So we'll be a nomination now. We'll call you new party executive, sir. Then they can choose to change him. But right now, he has to serve his mandate.
And I don't speaker of parliament, my friend. Sababu,
Babe.
I need to know you too much, I don't know. But that's one to my friend, one to my friend.
To my friend, the privileges committee can call him. I think he's not above that. He's not above that.
I want to work from now to another reason on the map. Upper to get baby can master me. So you won't tell us today, yes, a man will be I want to one friend. I want to work from.
I do a friend.
I would have done another after a baby there. What I am great was great. You never do a way you think there. You pay 50. Then why you pay you peace? You pay out some of it.
No,
you know, Mr. Ring, I am not the direction.
That's not
it.
Yeah, so no. But that's the door. I personally, I don't believe say your mind on a Ghana 4%. To be honest with you, I don't see it like that. I don't see say your mind on a Ghana 4%. The main what I see more and they say, a kufu do not tear the soon. A yo my time, pet, yanka papano on tia kunyaso. Enti no so ya ade na enya kwana nka ye den na nka se nya duabo na wo na enye yi a anka me be gina na mabodua se NDC ni bia obako free education bia utuna ka mu account fa nhwe onku because mo nka no kore so ade ase enya asem a nanka ye be gina na ye buru nua te se de wusu bo mpa no buru nua wa ayi no nanka ye so gina ye buru nua NDC ni bia obetu 9 e de akọ free education ni bi se wo ka se ye 419 na wo ko bia wo kwa me hu ade da o classes a wo betru na failing na. Oh yeah, sometimes we have to go to that extent. So I say, who I was see a kufu ado buying ye, then so a kufu ado buy ye where to me be a store be our store no money a mention. Wa a kufu ado my ye no one near Jumaye, then the 1 year Jumaye, oh qua, boss, own you ready. You see, said Brianna, my best at Yabobo with social media because I'm on fan of Creno unca. Now what the politics be Jimmy say Ghana, Sana, yes, we obey. At ya say, into a banner son and Yama so free education, I can't quite more and I can't tire pine out to Mogu. Watching our baby, you are, would the young son and cribby diagro. Uti, Mom, we generally or my day, especially a man now more ye be election, more she sika, a kufado nena by the mamma. More she sika, a chairman, Obeka chile wunia ban when we say. Ya sikane de menya kakra ne nya abotra so de beba no ene mu gyan mu koti NDC for se mamuntua se mahama ba ye de beche mo ye ma loan na wo de aye adwuma na wo nua bi so atumi na wo atua ne back na wo nua bi so atumi abenya loan ni bi de aye adwuma wo se yenye o sa ban ne nye nti ankada wo bekwa kofa akufu ado loan no de ma wo no de aban ne ba ya wo nya ya wo se wo de kofa ne o ma beton no ka fa ya na nka eja atom wo store no bie ya na eja atom na ahye no because mo ye nipa bone to Ghana for mo ye wicked to Ghana for mo ye wicked mo ye nya atwom mo ye ready-for to Ghana for mo ye ready-for. You guys are evil-minded people or time, a yow or time. The word is or time. Anya mena koya wene de men tiasi meseno. This is the kind of stupidity we are raising Ghana with. And it pities my mind to see say kura de enye yen kura se for na yanko school papa no. Enye yen aggregate 16 for ni bi o. Ene de ye hwan ya omo so mu kura degree no kura no me ye jimi for no. Womo CS womo akọ school credit degree no womo kura na ye jimi for no because wonya aboa o papa no ma me de wako school wutuwe wako university we bruchire wonim the way our systems work we be jino makwase atwene Jonas aka kire wo say yensi bu krom kwan yenye wu krom adanti yendi Ghana from penifo ni na tem and you support such stupidness. Yes, your stupid face will go and tell your daughter that when I'm talking to you, say sorry, say thank you, say please. Abua bi to say well, no, you want to be respected by your children. But you will send in foolish fools who don't even know how to brush their own teeth to come and run the whole country down. All in the name of yeah politics. All in the name of yeah politics. What take and then most time we are about 235. Makwa adwuma numero ahomache afei na meba. Ahomache afei na meba. Awo meba mo hu awa na mewom. Mo hu awa na mewom a mede ba awo mframa a ebu abonten a me na mu ahomache wei akwa adwuma meba. Na wo gina ho wo se wo ye nurse. Unim pefe se nurse wo ye late 1 minute kura na ye problem. Unim pefe se wanko adwuma ye ntua wo ka. Obi te Ghana ya pa adwuma ma no obi akobie store keka ma no ontena no keka ya mo hwe time a omudi bebie store so no. Onu anye scam bie store obi a invest wo ni mu abie store ontena no no ndidi no mfa hwe na busua no time o pe no ba adwuma. Oba 12 na wakọ 1:30 lunch na wabe 2:45 3 no ko owi akwase bisa na betena se be one jobs ena adwuma ne de adwuma ne sika nim ena adwuma ne sika nim na oboa wo ya kwadwefo adwuma na wo se utiri so apampa so na nkade a mo ye moa. That is the word I will use. You task Kofi Blay no mu say no omo ye jimifo akwase ampafo omo ne abodamfo na ya kan ye de omo abefra Ghana still a jimi enti omo ti social media jimi. You stars Kofi blame no more. One more drinking your juma because kwasi ampeni bisa na ne papa nka nkyere ne sa aboy mahama wo no ne wo IMF. Jimmy ni bisa no ya nka nkyere ne say aboy ne ye GDP eye 3.4 say you fix man do more than that. Fix the country and you are not ready to fix your foolish certificate to even get a job. You want the country to be fixed and you are not willing to fix that your stupid face to even get a job. You are not willing to even go steady to even get a job. And more mponche abodan fo asefo ma nkurasefo ma anyansa ye free ni nyansa bi ni mutiri mo ya moa dodo kwasie mahama no webedi ade pen yo ejimi fo asefo mahama no webedi ade pen ye de oman ne hye ne nsa ode ye ko IMF ko pega ne nsa se wontumi mabubo bodam se den ham one factory facility or document did this say one district one factory is specifically just going to be just government agenda. Kofi Kapito, sometimes I try to take it easy, but these people are fools. Some of these people are fools. Kwasia, ujina baby, I see men sit down because in so far. What could sit down when so by a baby would go? Uyansani. Yes, ya hand my waterway men sit down. And now when you brain them round this one fine judgment, no go sit down when so toy and a bubu negu. Now was champagne be said, no dear bayatem. And more bisa, more unquasia forfeits the country for no idea about one more de dada and debia mubijinawa, and we pay tax. Can for that time young moon to your tax beer? Can for that time young who say moon to young quasia tax beer?